Hello students, welcome back to the third part of your speech writing series. In today's video, we are going to write about a speech which is on the topic children being part of television shows is also a form of child labor. I'll reiterate, this is again a form of essay only but written in the form of speech. So all your body section, that whatever you write in the speech is nothing but your essay. The only change is your first paragraph and the last paragraph, where in the first paragraph you're going to greet the people, greet the listeners present over there, and then introduce yourself, and in the last paragraph we conclude it with an oath and then thanking the listeners. And the body part is again like an essay only. So into this, when they are saying children being a part of television shows is also a form of child labor. So children working on television soaps or any movies are into child labor. So they have given us few points. Parents encourage their children to participate in the stage shows, serials, etc. Yes, you've always observed that there's an excitement in the society. The parents have the excitement, even the children have the excitement of participating in the stage shows, serials, because they know they are going to get this fame after that. But then that is going to later create a stress on them. Second point, children are deprived of proper childhood. Yes, in the age where they are supposed to play, where they are supposed to have fun, they are supposed to study, they are doing an extra work that is not permittable or suitable for their age. Their age is not for working but for having fun, studying new things, learning new things. Okay, so third point, earning income at the cost of education is also a child labor. No doubt that these children are earning money, but at the cost of what? At the cost of child labor. They are working at an age when they are not allowed to. So this is earning an income at the cost of education. So they are compromising on their education just for earning income. And the last point, children's participation in stage shows puts pressure on them. No doubt, I am very sure you kids watch television, you watch stage shows, and you know how terrific the competition is. There is best three, then there are like multiple levels they go through, and which creates a stress and pressure on them. So of course I don't think these children or the small kids, they are not into the age of handling so much pressure. So into this speech we are going to explain all these points. So let's move towards our answer.
Good morning, friends. I, Miss Riya Smith of class 10th, am here to share my thoughts on the theme, children being part of television shows is also a form of child labor. Nowadays, a lot of parents encourage their school-going children to participate in stage shows as well as serials and talent shows on television. No doubt, the parents, the child, the neighborhood, school and even the region gets publicity due to this participation. However, one must remember that these children are deprived of a proper childhood. They serve as a source of income and fame to their families, at the cost of their education. This is exactly what child labor is. Be it a child earning by washing utensils in a hotel or a child artist in a movie, both are forms of child labor. The reason we are unable to accept this is because of the lure of the camera and publicity that the child gets. Denying children a proper childhood for any reason is a crime. Let us take an oath not to support the participation of children in television shows. They have their whole lives ahead of them to earn and gain publicity. Thank you.